based on gas welding. So we are discussing an MCQ from the topic gas welding. Our first question, a very simple question. Which of the following types of fuel gas is commonly used in gas welding? Biogas, coal gas, acetylene, and methane. So everyone knows this answer. The correct answer is acetylene. So in addition to acetylene, we will be using hydrogen also as a fuel. Gas welding is usually referred as an oxy welding or oxy fuel welding, which is a process of joining metallic materials by application of heat produced by the gas flame. In gas welding, acetylene is commonly used as a fuel gas, which is mixed with the proper proportion of oxygen in mixing chamber of welding torch. In gas welding, can produce a hot flame of temperature about 3000 to 3500 degrees Celsius. It's very important. Our second question is, in gas welding, the joint can be made even much stronger than the original. Most of us may feel that it's a false statement, but actually it's a true statement. In gas welding, various metals like cast iron, steel, aluminum, copper, etc. can be used for joining operation. First, they are brought into a molten state, then a fusion is taking place between the two pieces of metal in such a way that the point of fusion closely approaches the strength of the metal fused. In this process, the union of the joint can be made even much stronger than the base metal. So, the statement is a true statement. Our next question, in acetylene. Acetylene is a hydrocarbon which molecule is made up of two atoms of carbon and four atoms of hydrogen. Two atoms of carbon and four atoms of hydrogen. So everyone knows that the formula for acetylene is C2H2. It will contain two atoms of carbon and two atoms of hydrogen. So this is a false statement. In gas welding, acetylene is used as a fuel gas, which is hydrocarbon like other as propane, methane, etc. However, it generally differs from those hydrocarbons in manner that its molecule is made up of two carbon atoms and two hydrogen atoms. Two carbon atoms and two hydrogen atoms. And the carbon atoms are joined with hydrogen atom by making a triple bond. Sometimes they will ask that they will make a triple bond. Fourth question. Acetylene is a blue color gas which is mixed with the oxygen to produce hot flame. Blue color gas, we haven't heard such a term. Whether the statement is true or false? Obviously, it's a false statement. In gas welding, acetylene is basically a colorless gas with a very sticky odor and high combustible when it is mixed with the oxygen. Acetylene gas is formed by mixing calcium carbide with water, and then it is composed, which forms a compound of carbon and hydrogen having a chemical formula C2H2. So next question. Gas welding is mainly suited for welding of thin sheets, smaller diameter pipes and tubes. So we have seen gas welding in repair shops, body shops of automobiles, and small pipe welding process. So the answer is a true statement. Gas welding process is mainly suited for the welding of thin sheet tubes and smaller diameter pipes because it cannot provide high temperature compared to our arc welding. It cannot provide high temperature as compared to that provided by the electric arc welding. This method of joining is also used for repairing works, maintenance, and body shop. Our next question. Acetylene is a non-toxic gas which can be kept stored in a cylinder at any pressure. All of you may approve that acetylene is a non-toxic gas, but it can kept and stored at any pressure. That's a true statement. That's not a true statement. That's a wrong statement. Okay. In gas welding, acetylene is used as a fuel which produces hot flame when it is mixed with the oxygen. Acetylene may be non-toxic gas, but if it is stored in a cylinder at a higher pressure, that is more than 2 bar, then the acetylene becomes self-explosive. That's why the pressure of the stored acetylene should be maintained with the great care. So, for this question, we have to go with the false option. Next question. In single-stage gas regulators cannot be used in a cold weather for regulating the acetylene or oxygen gas. So in our question, we are using a single-stage gas regulator and the condition are cold weather. So we have to check whether this statement is right or wrong. Single-stage converter is used to reduce the pressure from the cylinder to the welding pressure, which can take place in a single stage. However, it tends to freeze the cold weather because an abrupt expansion and a result drop in the initial pressure, making the rapid cooling of the gas. Already the condition is cold, and in addition to that, if we are using a single stage regulator, sudden pressure drop will happen. So it will not be recommended to use a single stage regulator in a cold weather condition. It will lead to ice formation in the presence of moisture. So it cannot be used. We can go with the option cannot be used. So we can choose it as a true statement. In gas welding, the hoses are mainly used for making the connection between gas torch and regulator. All of you have seen the gas welding in which we are using different color, mainly two colors hose for connection between the cylinder and the torch. And in the top of the cylinder, we are providing the regulator. In gas welding, the hoses are mainly used for making the connection between the gas torch and the regulator, which should be made strong, light, and flexible enough to make torch movement smooth. In general, welding hose can be of two types. There are twin hose and double welding hose. Twin and double. Twin and double. So the option is true. The ninth question. A flashback is a condition in gas welding when the pure methane gas is used as a fuel gas instead of acetylene. They are telling that they are using pure methane instead of acetylene, then the condition flashback will occur. All of you have heard about the flashback condition. Anyway, in gas welding, a flashback is a condition in which the flame burns inside the gas torch. Flashback is generally caused by the improper mixing of the gas, which further increases the rate of flame propagation to high extent that the flame goes back to the mixing chamber. If it is not stopped, the flame may burn the mixture and may travel back to the cylinder. So it will not happen when we are using pure methane. So we will go with the false option. Here is our last question for today. A welding torch is mainly used for mixing and burning the gas in the desired proportion. All of you know that the welding torch is the main purpose is to mix and burn the gas in the desired proportion. In gas welding, the welding torch is mainly used for mixing oxygen and acetylene in the desired proportion. It is also used for burning the mixture at the end of the tip, and also provides a means for moving and directing the flame head. The welding torch can be high pressure type or low pressure type. That's a 10 question from the topic gas welding. We will be back with another 10 questions on next day. Thank you for watching.